Well, hello, you guys. Today, we, the Thunderfish, are going to do.
The floaty hairdryer chip shots from Dude Perfect. So we have a golf stick.
Yeah. Sorry, Dude Perfect.
Sorry if you're watching it. So, first, our buddy Abbas will do it. So, it's.
No, I'm not gonna do it. You do it.
So,
I'm probably gonna break it.
very powerful! So,
Is the ball floaty or the ball?
Yo.
Oh, don't hit me.
amazing! Oh god! It rebounded on the iPad! So, you did the Harlem Shake! So, this is
Can you please? My turn now. Please flip it.
Yo.
faster!
Look how it's done.
Yeah, that's how it's done, right? Yeah.
That's how it's done!
Yes.
The proest floaty hairdryer chip shot ever!
Oh! Now
So,
I'm
who will do it mine?
So, yeah.
I'll do it in yours.
So,
Yo, where's the ball gone? Oh.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Hi.
Now, please, guys, come here.
so
So,
it's
yeah.
my turn! The proest!
Nope.
The one who made the idea though.
Oh, it's going up. Oh, no. Oh, fail. Oh, the ball went down now. I don't. What the? Where is the ball?
Oh, shit!
So, he's laughing with the hairdryer.
Look how the ball is floating.
Like this. So,
Yeah.
it's like
That's
a ball.
very pro.
Oh,
That's
why is
very
the
pro.
ball-
Yeah, that's very pro, Dave.
Very pro. You should,
Yeah,
you
dropping
should
the
learn-
ball is
you
very
should
pro,
learn from
yeah.
you. Hey, pull your pants up. I can see your butt.
Where?
Butt crack alert.
Where is the ball? Can you
Butt
get
crack
up?
alert. Butt crack
Sorry,
alert.
guys. Yo.
Hỏi tiếng giờ này. Butt crack alert. Butt crack alert.
gonna-
Butt crack alert. Butt crack alert. Butt crack alert. Butt crack alert.
Okay. Butt crack alert. So,
Okay, guys.
Floaty hairdryer chip. This one's gonna work.
Oh my God.
Learn from me.
My God.
Remove your fingers from there.
We're gonna end this video now.
A little bit more though.
Why though?
Give that to me. So,
Where is the freaking basketball?
so
Where is the basketball?
Yo! Move out!
So,
Oh, no, I'm gonna shoot the basketball.
No!
Look at this. This is done like a boss. Please point to the net. Now, the boo.
wait a second. I'm trying to do the floaty hairdryer chip shot.
Oh! You try.
Really sucks. He sucks, doesn't he?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you suck, bro. Come on.
Come here.
Bye, guys.